Hey, this is Peter at SafetyNet Technologies. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the CatchCam app to the CatchCam camera. The CatchCam app is used for changing settings on the camera and also for accessing, reviewing and downloading your video clips wirelessly from the camera onto your mobile device. So the first step for connecting the two is to take the remote, activate the Wi-Fi by pressing the Wi-Fi button whilst pointing at the CatchCam camera. So I've done that, and now the CatchCam camera is broadcasting its Wi-Fi network. I know that it's broadcasting because the blue light here on the front of the camera flashes twice every 10 seconds. Now that the camera is broadcasting its Wi-Fi network, I'll connect the mobile device. So I'll go to the settings on my tablet here, go to the Wi-Fi options. I can see the network of my CatchCam camera, so I'll click on that to connect. Okay, that seems to be connected now. And next, I'll go to the CatchCam app. That opens up and confirms its connection to the camera. So now I can see some clips that I recorded earlier on my camera. They're stored on the camera, and I can also go to the settings screen and I can change my settings options here. So everything is set up for me to communicate between the app and the camera. I'll explain the settings in another video, so do take a look at that, and we'll talk about the settings options in more detail there. Thanks a lot.